This is the ultimate guide for designs on the rear neck taper. So make sure you follow along so you too can learn how to do designs like this. Let's start off with the all even surface. This is about a 1.5 in length, okay? I'm using the Slimline Pros for all the designs by Andy's in this video. I like these clippers because they have a small blade, which makes it so much easier when detailing your designs. Not to mention they're very affordable. Probably the best clippers you can get for the price. When you start your designs, you want to always have a starting point. Find a place you want to start off and build from that point on. This client likes crosses, so I'm gonna put a cross in his head and build from that point on. Okay guys, I did it off to the side, so I off-centered it slightly just so I can experiment with this freestyle design, okay? Now the second thing you're gonna wanna do is build off your starting point of the design. You wanna start freestyling, and that's why I left a little bit more room on the left-hand side so I can add a little bit more designs on this side and get a little creative. Now, if you guys are having trouble coming up with your own patterns and designs, you can go to my playlist called Swift Tips. I have many different hairstyles and designs that you guys can use as references when it comes to cutting hair, okay? But let's go ahead and get into it. The third thing you're going to want to pay attention to is the way I utilize my clipper blade. Notice when I'm doing curvature lines, I'm using the corner of my blade to get the curvature, and then when I'm doing straight lines, I'm using the surface blade and laying the entire blade on my client's head like shown in the video right now. And then I get the details going back to the first step, which is using the corner of the blade, okay? Utilize your entire blade if you guys want to get efficient, not just with designs, but hairlines, edge ups, eyebrows, mustaches, beards, etc. The list goes on if you learn how to utilize your clipper blades. So once you're satisfied with the design that you placed on your client's head, you want to pull out your blending clippers and get ready to do some tapering. Yes, we're doing the tapering after the design, okay? This is going to enhance the design by so much. You're going to add so much more depth to the design. So start off with the lever on the side of the clippers all the way closed, and as you gradually build up, you're going to pull back that lever. If you guys are having trouble blending, go check out this video, how to neck taper. It's actually the same client, but we just did an average neck taper in the back, showing you guys precisely each and every step it takes to get a really clean back neck taper, okay? So let's go ahead and progress and do some razor work. First off, when it comes to shaving, you want to have something to shave with. You could use this stuff that I use in the video, but you can use any type of shaving cream. You can use shaving gel. They have different type of shaving solutions that you could use to get a really clean shave. Honestly guys, when I first started cutting hair, I would actually use antibacterial soap mixed with water in a spray bottle, and I would spray that onto my clients' hairlines and designs, eyebrows, etc. to get a really nice, smooth, clean shave. So what we want to do with the razor is trace all the lines and the designs with the razor. This is going to give you cleaner, sharper lines and make the design stand out so much more. Remember guys, adding more detail to the design is just going to overall help and make the design look so much better, okay? Another tip you want to do when using the razor is consistently stretch the skin in the opposite direction of what way the razor is going. For example, if you look closely, my thumb is right above the razor and I'm shaving downwards. No matter which way I'm using the razor, my other hand is going to be stretching in the opposite direction. Alrighty guys, this is the aftermath of a freestyle back taper design with no enhancements, all natural. And if you have enhancements, add a little white to it. It makes it stand out. If you don't have the Barber Magic Pencil, go to a dollar store near you and buy some white eyeliner. It works great. It's a lot cheaper, so it gives you a lot of room for improvement, okay? This goes to all you new barbers. Make it work with what you got. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. With all that being said, it's your boy DK the Barber. Gotta go.